Alright. I want that. Where you go? Where you go, that's the man? Pinedo, we know. What? Pinedo, you go on, man. You come prepared today. You come prepared today. Show them Pinedo.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
What's this?
Akeynote life. Go on my father, manners and respect. Man. Huh? What you say? Enough of them go at them clean, but I lie them a tell.
Them are clean, but I lie them a tell, you know?
Yeah, my father.
Yeah.
I love the feature.
Love the feature?
Love the feature.
Good now, man.
So what go on?
Them there circle back for another battle.
Yeah.
They come like it's a bucket here full.
We can put a picture in a picture.
Yeah. Oh, what about the already yet?
I don't say I'm going to put a picture in a picture. Here back now at the same time.
Yeah.
Soon done, man. Go next 20 minutes. Next bucket done.
How much bucket gone?
We have one bucket done.
One more bucket left? Yes, so till one bucket come, you can get some other.
Okay, so one more bucket for go?
Yeah.
So we can turn the general in general?
Now, I'm going to the general.
So we there, so okay, you sell back them here?
Back to them and sell.
You back to them and sell them, okay. Yeah, too.
I'll leave that to the
Was it like me for go circle here back then?
Yeah, circle back?
Yeah.
The idea?
Yeah, I'm going to try after that.
Because more things they can feature too, except put some stuff on the wall and
Yeah. Has this gentleman already yet?
Yeah, I want to go away.
Leave that Manchester, right?
Manchester, you go.
Boy circle, I don't know what I'm talking.
Yeah. You have a buckle one in the small buckle?
Yeah, man.
That's small buckle.
On the wall and things, so
You get some phone call?
yeah, thank you. We get to get 3 decent sale from one, yeah. So
Look forward back there with that.
yeah, man. Can fill up your bucket for you. See, and the angle one.
Yeah.
And put in the freezer.
Yeah.
So when you circle back, you have that time.
Alright, yeah. The same, the hard sweet one then.
Yeah, man, that buckle there. Yeah, man, we know your buckle, so by the time forward, that you want to talk about something, you know, say not for wait, though.
Yeah.
Then you have a number, right? You have a number.
No.
The 2 show me.
Yeah, put the sweet one then, yeah?
Yeah, man. Activate.
Yeah, alright, cool. Alright guys, so I did went to get my big bottle of jelly from Moses. But here where Moses is selling that man 2 bucket of jelly water, because basically the guy that he's selling, he bottles them and sell them. You know, so he bring in buckets and get them full and then bottle them out and sell them. So he just started on one of the buckets. I have about another 2 buckets to go. So I guess I have to come back, because today is the day that I want to go collect the bed and bring it up by Cranberry. Right, so that's why I cannot wait for so long for him to finish those 2 buckets. So I guess he will do it for me, and then I will come back and pick it up whenever I'm finished. You know, so I guess that's the plan. So sorry guys, sorry for not introducing myself. Let's do it again. Well, welcome back to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. You know, the thing goes, we here and we ain't no faker. You know, but guys, one of the things that I see happening, I'm saying it again, guys, please remember to put the thumbs up. You guys ain't putting the thumbs up. I don't know why, but if you don't want to like it, it's understandable, but the likes them ain't matching up. You know, we getting backwards and the likes are, we just getting lazy, or we just can't be bothered to like it anymore. You know what's going on, but something is going on. So please remember to put the thumbs up, guys. Please remember to put the thumbs up. You know, I know if you're watching and you have it, remember to put the thumbs up. I'm reminding you so you can put the thumbs up. Now put the thumbs up, please. See that? Thumbs up. Put the thumbs up, guys. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna make one stop here and then head into Trenchtown, organize the drive, and then bring up the bed to Cranberry. So hopefully today nobody not get washed away with the bed in the river. Hope said nobody. Pinedo and boom. Well, boom said right now I don't want to bring no more bed with Pinedo. Boom said not again, but can I blame him? The boy said I don't want to bring nothing with Pinedo. Well, let's see what's gonna happen today, guys, so stay tuned. You know, blessed love. Hey, it's already Go on. So I'm coming and come get the things, the next stuff there, yeah? I'm coming to get the fridge and the stuff.
Yeah. Will I take it now or next week?
Yeah, Monday. Yeah. So I'm going to bring these first. So I'm going all the way to Gardentown now. So I like to drive.
Yeah, we'll drive. Receipt?
Oh, receipt, I'm a boss. You have the drill going to take it off? You have a drill going to take off the...
Yeah. Take your time, come to.
Yeah, man.
Watch your side.
Turn side up on this. No. Just turn side up on this. Yeah. Just rest the side up on this, because I don't want that up on that. I said turn side up on this till the mattress come out first. Yeah, that's what I said, turn the side up on this. Then after you have it on the door. Go then. That's up. Hold it. mattress them. Mattress them. Mattress them gone first.
Take off the sign.
Mark, what? Did you get rid of the string? You dash where the string that Mark? The string that you dash them where?
Them can't do no more, man, because them have hold it in the sun.
Alright guys, so we're getting the next mattress as well too. So, and then we're gonna come back now to buy the fridge, also the stove. General,
But remember the one
you bring it out the mattress? The next mattress. Okay. So guys, so here we have some stove here. So these are the two of them. You know, I like this one because it's black. You know, this one is more black, more darker than the rest. So we have to get something where so we have to get something where they won't damage too quickly or dirty up too quickly. So this one will work. One here is black. These one are chrome. This one is more darker than that. You know. And then we got some fridge here as well, so we're gonna get the fridge also. You know, here are the fridge. So I guess we're gonna get this dark fridge here, the black pint with a dispensary right here to get the water. So we're gonna get the dark one. Come out there.
La calor en Green. Black and Green.
Hey, this time, when I'm not going to drive with the driver so we can help hold the bed.
Yes,
One have to go drive it, man. So you can help him only. Because last time you always say I only some man. How are you going the last time? I see him here going?
Are you here?
That tag of that. Eh?
She watching every day.
Oh.
She don't want to do me.
But you watch me every day?
She watching me and you
Are you there work? Are you come by them here?
No, not that.
Oh, this. Oh. That to come by too. Are we that? Oh yeah, you can go in? Who are with him? You are with him? That pulling on. That's right. Oh, go on. No, go on. Oh, no, make that stay.
Slam me door. Yeah. See me now.
Yeah, everything, you have the board and everything. Alright, my park right there, so.
You're not pulling the killer. You're not pulling.
Just in case. Yo, respect, yeah? Come in. Come on. Come to you. Come in. Alright guys, so we're lock and load, so we're gonna head out now and head up Mama River to go drop off this, and then we have to go. Taxi driver, you black me now. Now come out, I mean that behind.
Right? You're the behind?
Stream, yeah. Yo! Akeynote!
Yes, Kino.
Come closer. You know, no, wrong place, come that way.
Oh, you want me to pass it?
See there?
Alright, thank you.
And
Yeah.
Gio there, I give you something to as well. See there?
Yeah.
Big
Yeah,
up
man,
yourself,
somebody
General.
tell me somebody upon the tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What tell you where?
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Alright, yeah.
Thanks.
Look come on.
Back, look.
Akeynote. If somebody tell him same upon it.
Yeah, because when can't see somebody tell him see him on the video. Yeah. So he's aware, you know, someone saw him on the video and tell him, so see up on Akeynote's channel. The road is very, very light today. You know, surprising. Very, very surprising. For an evening like this. Body run down watch much. Yeah. Body run down home. Actually World Cup good, the road is light, and a rush hour time now.
So the road can't light every day.
You know what I mean? So why not make the road light every day like this? Eh? Why just because you have football on the road light? And you make it light all the time, man.
And Brazil I go play.
Eh. No sir. Guys, usually them road right now is pure traffic.
Man,
Pure traffic, but now the thing just light. No, place light, they couldn't believe it. You have to wonder if car exists.
Brazil alone can make man drive.
Yeah, you should have seen the man Saturday skate on the road.
Just
I'm going
reach.
to want to ditch something. I say, that surprised me.
Alright guys, so we're on our way. I guess we ain't gonna take us long to reach.
Bring us.
You know,
Alright, boy, next.
because the road is
Half an hour.
literally quiet.
You want cut?
It's rush hour time,
Oh, yeah, I got a party too.
but maybe
Yeah, I went
choose
tonight.
football, but now see much crowd.
Oh, yeah, man.
You know, so we have
Yeah, man, I'm active, man. I'll be reaching.
Pinedo is in the next vehicle
The whole Brazil law.
with the driver, you know, to hold on the bed. So we have Esther in this vehicle here,
What's your man here present?
and we have Boom
Yes.
over there,
Link what Buma bring.
and we have Gio around
Big
there,
up one gym, you know, out here like all the time.
and we have
Yeah.
over there. So Puma say nah cross the river with Pinedo anymore, you know.
I want me to carry
That's why I
my
bring
mattress
Gio.
myself.
Oh, you carry the mattress for yourself?
Me and you, boom.
No,
I know if I'm here, nah, chopping.
Mattress, man, me alone.
Yeah,
There's a
yeah.
yellow.
He's gonna go carry a mattress then, and me, I want to chop a pin. Yeah,
Boom
carry a
said,
mattress then.
nah,
Pinedo and the driver
Boom
bring
said
it.
nah participate with carrying the bed cross the river with Pinedo anymore. You know, because Pinedo make the man almost wash away.
First back the man. I know the river gonna bring it.
Yeah, river pretty normal and light. You know, so it's not too much. Not too much attack. So guys, so let's see the outcome today. And you know what, damn, I forgot to bring my Crocs. I forgot to wear my Crocs. I said, Boom, don't go down with it. He said, no, good man, good man. A Pinedo said, a Pinedo. A Pinedo. Pinedo said,
call
no.
the shots, man.
Yeah, him call the shots. I mean, Boom get shot.
That's a metaphor.
Yeah, man, it's a better for what, man? Alright then.
My food in here, man. My beer, man. Here,
Even with the food as well too.
yeah, tell man.
But I said, don't touch it, don't touch it.
You drop mine when the first time, so I don't want nobody drop it, so me I say like, I'm me I carry it over now, because mine one there last. You see me there? That's why I move a force. Remember them know say 2 months on top of my one. So I make him a defend it, I say, give me, and me I say, yo, boy, you move.
Yeah.
How long are you food that shouldn't be?
No, I feel food.
I'm done, I'm drop.
But here you know, here the worst thing now, Gio. Baja, I Pinedo food, you know. Because Pinedo gone across the river leave him food. So Baja put Pinedo food in the pot now. Somebody's bring it over.
Yeah.
So when him come back now, the food are missing. You see me, because we want him ask where him food, because we know a man to play with him food.
Yeah.
So not knowing say the pot where him take up over there have theme food in it. So when the pot a drop and a dash with the food, I Pinedo food a dash away. So when Pinedo realize a theme food drop and
me have say my food.
and Boom think a theme food, so Boom
drop back so
Boom drops and like when Pinedo look him realize a theme one.
You drop yourself, guy, and vex.
Yeah, I'm a food for go down.
And when you look at the dumpling drop out, son.
Dog only.
Not even a second, and just drop there, just a push. You ramp the dog.
Yo, them dog get terribly in the brother.
Yo,
Man, my trailer park.
me say as the food dumpling drop out, son, them couldn't get a chance to take it out. Quick and
We see
fast.
Lay's chips.
I'm looking to the plate with
And
plastic
coconut
over
trash.
it.
Yeah,
I say,
coconut
oh,
trash.
no, my one.
Yeah, the coconut trash. Out of everything, the coconut trash, me not expect him to eat.
You see dog go eat up the coconut trash like him and say it's so fine.
Survival.
Right,
Have a
no.
sweet taste like it, you know.
The dog go eat the coconut trash. Hey.
So them
Remember I
dog-
saw a dog that stayed in our country, you know, Castro, you know. Castro eat everything. Every single thing Castro
dog, they
eat.
live long.
What?
I'm like, oh, what dog going to yard now?
They cut up carrot, vegetable,
Dog down
lettuce,
the post, so
dash
that
of
the
flour,
people-
everything Castro eat. And I said, no sir.
away.
Is she though?
Yeah.
What she go call her father?
Oh, you tell her already?
Yeah, man, you tell her.
Alright. I want with that.
Come on.
Where you go? Boom, where you going, man?
Oh, let me see you first put that.
Hold on. Yo, Gio. The man, yo, Pinedo, the man ditch us already, Pinedo. Boom said, no, man, Gio, hold it, boom. Hey, watch out, now, Robert. Hey. Boom, now take no check. Boom, say, Gio, come on. Boom, man.
Right now, you are carry.
We got to say Gio the day the last time as well.
Yeah.
But at least the water is not that much. But Gio, you have to take off your slippers though. Pinedo. Sandbag. Come here so make me take it. Come here, Gio. We now go Pinedo we here, you know. What? Pinedo, you go on, man. You come prepared today. You come prepared today. Show them Pinedo.
Why, boss?
Yes, Pinedo. Sure. Yes, Pinedo. Hold it. Well prepared. Hold on. Alright, let's rest it on the side. No, not on this one. Don't turn it like that, because remember the board them. Yeah. You want to go straight up then? Alright, go on then. Alright, go on. We'll walk at the back. Hold on, Pinedo, they close one fix.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm not drop him close or drop off. Hold on. Hold on, fix the closer. Fix the close. It's not him and drop him close or drop off this time.
Yeah, now in a bed. Come on, Kiva.
Alright, go on.
Man, you know your pants for move.
Guys, Pinedo doing well today. Pinedo ready. Yeah. Pinedo come prepared. I think we're not seeing him drop today.
Wait.
Hold on. Good?
No. Rolling. Go on.
Left. I run that's where we are going. Hold on, move this out the way. Hold on. Go on. Hold on, light. Wire. Go on. Charge it.
Wire.
Go, 30.
I saw they go in the last time.
No.
Wrong way. Make him go in and bend the clean side. Yeah. Other one at the top part.
Yeah.
Push it in here so. Boom, I have to move this. Who that? Yeah. Ooh. Not this one.
Yeah.
I'll go for the next one. Because I think
Yes, when you're going to Gina?
yeah, so.
So you're going to black?
Yeah, no man, remember this to this for a while ago, you know. So that I forgot to stay like that. Alright guys, Pineda going on well. Boom, you never have to switch no Pineda upgrade, man.
Upgrade. Never know.
Him upgrade, boom. Boom, the man upgrade, man.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Boom, say, yeah, no all this. Alright guys, so you know the thing about Pineda done well. You know, boom, back out. But you know, realize the Pineda get upgrade. You know. Pineda said no more droppings. You know, him upgrade. Him definitely upgrade. One more to go.
Man, them see the eye water, the man them get scared too.
Yeah.
Water the man can't see what go on. You say just run across the river.
Yeah.
The water is higher.
Runnings. Yeah, I got to the car back. All the mattress. One again, you are leading up Pineda. Pineda, you lead. Gio, make him lead. That's him taller.
Yeah, go on and it.
Fix it like how we fix it, man.
Yeah.
So.
And so will I carry it?
Yeah, man, so we carry it.
Boom, you lift me down. Done. So Boom say my roll solo. Boom say yeah, him alone will bring the mattress.
Yeah, man.
Nah, take no shit. Hey, you good?
Drop off on my own.
Yeah. Boom say if him drop. Boom say if him drop off on him own. So I go on. G firm still. Pineda says it's not dropping anymore. I'm good. Now him say I'll float on top of the mattress.
Yeah.
He's gonna float on top. But at least the tide is not so high.
Oh, I'm see Nana and Cranberry.
You don't know where them disappear.
On a pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the big pool that go ever.
Yeah man, a Cranberry them one. You there yesterday. Pineda up top again. You know what I mean?
And take a look out. Kind of fucked up. Kind of messed up to me.
Mark, here forward. Alright. Get your meditation. Upgrade Pinedo. Upgrade. Hold on. Yeah.
No Lego?
Him not drop, I'm pants, I drop half of him this time. I'm pants this time, him not drop. Are the pants. To the left. Line. Come.
Wait. Go.
Tandemite. Oh, you're good. See me around the corner. Watch a short line now. Don't end yourself. Yeah. You lift it up. Next way. Perfect. You have to turn it now. No, say.
We can turn it inside.
Yeah.
Oh. Facing it?
So him can go around the corner with it.
Oh, round the set I go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Never know where you reach one.
Alright, so no. Sorry, G now.
Bottom end.
G go around so. Hold on, up on that. Set up. Alright, G, come from around this now. Oh, take up them foot there. Put them this. A pipe.
Alright. Oh.
So we could say for the right side is turn.
Yeah.
Because the right side is turn.
What you really matter?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
This is the school well in there.
Yeah.
School and what, step and support.
Yeah, guys.
But suppose the screw part down there, so I would have to go put it right there, so.
Okay.
You can't just screw it back.
Yeah.
You can't just screw it back. Yeah.
Supposed to?
But bro, I'm more than screw it.
Alright, because how it go fit still.
Yeah.
How it go fit.
So eventually I ride it to them with a floor.
Yeah. So we put in the front part now.
But that thing, and they can't.
Put in the front part then.
You bring it up?
Yeah.
Don't you? Easy, no drop it to that on the
Drop in, man.
Alright, so remember, so we have to be careful with that.
Yeah, man.
We have to get the hurricane strap. So dog are doing that. Run him out there. Hold on, take your time.
Come, go back. So. Go lift up and go, yeah.
Hold on, take your time. Hold on, take your time. Yes, sir, hold this to me there. Me hold it.
Watch the TV. Yeah.
Hold on, no. Are you hold it?
Yeah.
So hold.
Yeah, man. Good, man.
I go under it, yeah?
Yeah.
Plug the TV.
Alright, hold on. Lift it. Alright, now.
Right down there?
Go down there.
Yeah, that side are good.
Yeah, man. Perfect.
Yeah.
So this ladder. Ladder are very right there.
Why not
Yeah, man.
come
Come
so?
on, bedroom.
Oh, well, there.
Which part ladder?
She's
Oh,
cool,
it can
man.
go anyway.
Oh, yeah, so.
Set up
So
over
even
right there, so
yeah.
you sit down.
Yeah, one ladder come here so, and the thing the part I go
Real.
so.
So there. Okay, so the railer come that side. Yeah. So the rail. So it all go, huh? See?
Yeah. Eat that.
So it all go. So we're gonna get now. I get the hurricane strap. You see me? No.
Oh, like up and up.
Hurricane strap this.
Metal for us.
Yeah. For the four of them, for these as well too. Because they know them are gonna rock it out. Go put on the mattress. Put on. Because you know the ice like how this tastes now. You see you put the TV on top of this. At least them can see it.
Or put the TV on the wall. You don't trust yourself for the TV. They want to pass and lick up. Put it
No.
up on the wall.
No, it's have to come like this.
Yeah.
On the wall, no.
You can't put TV on this, so they want to rock it out.
Alright, the mattress. Put on the mattress. Talk out. Excuse talk out. Don't walk in.
Beer.
Well, here in a sec. Okay. So I'm gonna say, me that Eva said this, could I go over the parents' them room?
Yeah, man, true.
When we take out that fridge there?
Yeah, can I? The food's good, right?
No, come remember we go buy them a fridge.
Oh, so when the fish come out, this guy.
Yeah, so the fridge.
You can't go in the kitchen.
No, they might a new one. So that old one there?
No, the new fridge now go in the kitchen.
Yeah. So see the old one now, them can bring it down at the shop, but them might be long there so. So this is how we look. They have space now.
So this is our progress, so this can be space.
I have to go, I see this.
You can move it.
This have to go move.
Yeah.
Come up more.
Yeah, because bypassing and
Yeah.
progress.
This will move, come up more. And you see that fridge here? Did I see that fridge here? Oh, turn on this. The fridge here now, when it come out, remember them have this chestnut jar come there so. And we could have put the next chestnut jar. Yes, so at least the kids them so they have space.
Yeah.
In there so even more. Okay, Nisha, in the bathroom?
Yeah.
I'll be there so long. So. So guys, so see it now. You know, it works. It works. Look where you had the talker. I'll say a close drawer.
Evening.
Evening.
Yes, evening, ma'am.
So if we go buy the hurricane strap now and strap down these. So Esther, you know where I go? Curtain. Linoleum. Over this.
Yeah, cover this.
Yeah. And this is our 4 pillar. We'll buy 2 set of pillar. 2 set of pillar. And this is our sheets.
What's in the one?
Bathroom.
Bathroom curtain. So why are you going to drive a minute?
So right down there.
Bathroom curtain.
And I put water.
Yeah, what the?
They might win that for them.
Yeah, right in there, sir.
Oh, which part of the chest that you're
And the bathroom curtain.
You put bathroom. Bedroom curtain. They might have kitchen. Oh, kitchen curtain.
Kitchen. Or inside.
Just to start from me. Just two.
Cause we're probably, cause you know such wood, the stove bag in there.
You know, we're not curtain.
No.
Oh, two sides.
Well, a three side. You know, I'm not saying to put no curtain in here, so. Because through the stove bag in here, the stove bag go down at the corner there.
Okay.
The stove bag down at the corner.
Oh, I know I'm not right neither.
No. Because I got always close.
Okay, me tell this man how much you are doing? That's a 2 parts I get alone, right? The 2 room then?
Yeah.
How much you are doing?
You have to make budget do a rough measurement. Yeah, budget do a rough measurement. Oh, it's have 4 single sheets. 4 single sheets. Hold on.
2 pillar.
Yeah,
After gonna be 4. For 1 each. 2 pair. 2 pair pillow.
Kenisha, how to the sheet them when they get ready? We still have
Then the teeth them.
them teeth them.
Yeah. So people come here from teeth. When they go down and come on, and they down there for some few days, and they end up teeth them. When come back, not even see none of them in here. I'm also just see them and see them. But them could have jumped through the window itself.
Them teeth the sheet and not teeth the TV.
Yeah, and the teeth can be far.
Oh, what kind of teeth that? What? You can't say hello. You're afraid? So can you show them teeth the sheet and the teeth the TV? What a teeth? I sheet them one. So. Yeah. Yeah, for them now. And the rod. Esther, the shower rod. I thought the metal one.
No, the metal, the white one.
The one with extend.
Yeah, the white one and then the straw.
No, yeah. No, the extend one.
Which one?
The one where you can extend out and it fits.
The one metal but can extend to, you know.
Yeah, that one, the one that can extend.
Yeah, the white one. The white one rather. I smell the size do I don't come. Mat?
Doormat? Yeah.
Just one this
Yeah. Okay then. Yeah, for the toilet. Get a one deco for the
bathroom.
I have to go over the toilet cover itself.
Yeah, I don't want to set my by. So you can get one for the toilet, the face base and the shower part. So that shower. One in front of the toilet and one in the face base. Yeah, some setup, yeah.
Yeah, because you have some more. Let me show you. We'll cover the top part of this. So.
Yeah, we cover with that and
on top of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and let's put
curtain yourself.
Curtain yourself.
look sugar in there.
Curtain for bathroom doorway.
Say one, let's go.
Oh, shower curtain for cleaner.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, you smile with me, you know.
Mommy? You want some more? I have it in there.
Don't follow me, not Tara, I'm going. What should I follow me for?
And the top button turn it on. The button at the top turn it on.
You go with your food. Sorry, you know. Don't just know where I'm going. Go with it.
Top button, a 3 button there, the side, the top one turn it on.
Alright. We'll go that way, yeah. Done.
I mean, have it. What is it?
Yeah. Go away now. Go away with it.
You're not putting a curtain this, so no.
Yeah.
You have a curtain this, too? I want to curtain something like a little.
It bleed, like,
Yeah.
bleed something like.
Entrance bleed.
I don't think no needed for this.
No, not this. No, just do this so and this so.
On the left.
Yeah.
So guys, so you see the situation now. So apparently we're gonna move this chest of drawer here, you know, and put it over the mom's room. You know, because at least even though there's enough space already same here, so you don't even have to go over there, you can even stay the same place here.
So what you do?
You can even you can stay the same place here. Sorry. What's your foot the top? Sorry that. Right, look, so yeah. So we don't even have to move the chest that jar. Okay, still have enough space. You don't have to move because you don't have to move. So this can stay as what it is because the space is there. The gap is here, same way for space. Same way, you know. It's only just this space which is still big enough. Same way, right, Kenisha? This space is big enough. Same way. So that's the only thing that's blocking out right there. Go on through this or Cranberry goes to the space. What's one? So you see? Cranberry go through. Eh?
It's more better than all the other bed with stairs like come with a walk, so.
Yeah, because the bed are more better.
But more space.
More space, you know.
Come out.
Because the next bed will come out more.
You know what I say, when them even get bigger, then can take down the bottom piece, the top piece them, and make the single bed.
Yeah, that's everybody have a single bed for themselves. Everybody have a bed for themselves. So, Cranberry, which part of the bed you want to take?
Top.
Top.
Is it the big one, the top and small one?
And so Tara got bottom.
And Toko and I can.
No, Toko one each. So
no,
one.
like when Toko sleep on us, she can.
Them can turn, steam.
Last night, when I sleep on the bed, I will sleep good.
They can take turns.
But when Cranberry sleep on another bed, she pick it up. But she not pick up mine.
She not pick up yours.
And Toko wake her up. No, she not wake me up last night.
Well, I can tell her go and use the bathroom.
Yeah.
The best advice is don't take out the plastic. That's
what I'm telling them.
You know, can buy 4. You can go in a bashko and buy 4 mattress cover, the white one. Because plastic, you know, and you put it in and zip it.
Hey, bring on the dog.
You know,
Yeah?
the mattress can go in and zip.
Oh.
I buy bed cover. Buy the bed cover. And then now you can get blanket and mattress cover.
So this a Cranberry bed, this come over here so now? Oh. So we get rid of phone one?
Yeah.
Cause this even higher see me than phone one. The brother. This is more high. Because phone one was more like a queen size. This is a double.
Yes, me ask it please, and you know, say what them go down on my brother-in-law, and the twin them we have, them they want a small bed. I'm gonna ask if you can please on behalf of me, and me I tell you say have the baby them, just say him still a work, but the bed when have the baby them pan, just say it would be blocks, about 6 blocks, put it up. And last night him come check me and they asked me for the bed, but you done burn the bed already. He asked him if he want the bed bottom, but he must say no. Even if nobody have the bed bottom, you can give him, please.
So we said the bed with the baby them and sleep on?
Because I look a small bed, him and his girlfriend upon, but the baby them kind of they on a block, like
cement block?
Yeah. He must put about 6 block on the bed itself. Last night, so I'm go down there and I'm going really go see it. It made me want to cry.
Oh, so you never tell her from early if you didn't know it, I give him the bed way?
And when him come link me now, he did finish burn already. But I asked him if he want the bed bottom, but he must say no. You see, through the bed small or the baby them on itself. That's why.
Oh.
But him last time I could have pull up the board them, which we have got plan to pull up the board them round there so and make some seat down at the shop itself.
Oh. So some cement block you use to make bed. So explain to them and just tell them so please you're begging them out.
Viewers, my brother that is OJ, the twin them I normally keep. Them have like a bed, but just say 6 block would have hold up the bed itself, and in my work, but it can't, the budget him have him can't buy a bed, and I was asking on his behalf if I could get a bed for him, please.
Alright then, so guys, you hear her plea, she's begging a single bed.
And if he never come last night, I would even know, because he end up bring me down at the house and explain, say, okay, you can't go to everybody, but he was asking me, but I could help him out at the time because the bed did finish burn already. So I say I could have asked the platform for some help for him just to even get a one bed for his children to sleep on. Actually the baby and the twin them, the 2 twin boys sleeping on the same bed itself.
Alright then, so let's keep praying, keep your finger crossed,
Okay.
And just hold the faith and hopefully something can come true. Yeah?
Yes.
Hopefully.
How much food? What put on the dog?
So this is gonna come out, that is gonna be there. Viewers,
thank you. As I was saying, viewers, thank you so much for all that you have done. For the 2 bunk beds, thank you so much. And I know we are well appreciate it. And thank you for everything. Even nights we cry. If you could have seen the tears in my eye, for cry for no, it was a 1 bedroom with one bed with 6 of us in it. And thank you so much for doing everything that you have done. And we appreciate it so much. Thank you so much, and we love you so much from the bottom of our heart.
And Winston is the one that just purchased this bunk bed as well too. Winston, and I forgot the name of the extended family that they purchased this one as well too. I forgot her name.
Winston, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and may God bless you in everything that you do in this year and many more years to come. Thank you so much from my family and to you, even though George is not here to say thanks, but on behalf of Georgie and me and the kids, thank you so much for blessing my family.
Alright, I will get time. So I said the work is not many left to do, so hopefully we can get the house opening in this week coming. This week, so it's just only little things we're about to point out to charge it.
Yeah.
Then just fill out. Just ask if you can do it. Yeah. Let's try to put curtain for you, sir.
Bathroom curtain.
Yeah.
2.
2 machine there.
2.
Interesting there. So, I want to definitely come up here, so. Yeah. 6.
Yeah. Doorway include. Then that we just got a little stretch one for this, because then the small.
Oh, for the doorway?
No, for the bathroom, the little stretch one with the
Get out the rod?
springy one, yeah.
For a shower?
No,
You know, remember I go where she go follow Nana. Because she don't want to wait till night that she have to follow Nana for come back over, because the girl at home are here.
Okay.
No, you know the little stretcher rod them?
Yeah.
We buy it for the bathroom. Should the winner them small?
Okay,
But the
yeah.
rest I rod them, the white one them we
Yeah. Hey, come out. Take out the dog from her. Why?
Give it them.
Talk about give with them.
Yeah, when you wake up and see them,
Yeah.
give it.
Give them way. Alright, Dad? Everything?
Yeah, I take better. I just drop it. Alright, take better.
Yeah.
Cranberry shopping list.
So the TV, now we have to go put the TV up there, so.
And then move this, because by walking and walking.
Yeah, that's what we're going to move. It can turn soft.
Yeah, it can go anywhere.
Because the TV can come just right above the window, yeah, so. No, okay, put it there, so hold up on the bottom, so now go see.
Oh, so you want to put it on here? Oh, it's not going to come down to you, so it's not going to affect the window?
No, because if you notice where it is,
Okay,
you know, Badger can put something where it can make it stay off, so the window can still close. Because at least this, it's on a level. So you can put it from here, so, you know, so if the window lock it now, go affect it. But Badger will not forbid to set it. Like put a bracket or something where you can drop in the bracket. So that's the only way. So that means everybody where they on the bed can watch from this direction. So
No, they say it could have still be so, you know, but go up look more.
so who are underneath here so now you can see.
Yeah, over there, so now see it.
That's why.
Because brought them there.
But yeah, so if everybody put up on the bed now them can see it from over this side. Yeah.
Any angle.
And then whoever lie down over there so them have to know how them a turn just in case. So now you can't get over the bed there, so it have to be away from the bed. You know. Get out here! Them dog are living here.
Yeah, when we buy them in here, they're not running.
Yeah.
So in them are running them.
Alright, then I'll go and Kenisha. So we have a list there and we'll keep on posted.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, foot good now. Coming on.
Yeah, we can bend it now.
Okay.
Walking the cup stick man and one of them alone walking.
Oh, okay.
No, we can walk without it, but two guys come up.
Oh yeah, you know what?
Not bad.
You say last time I learned about them bug girl.
Oh, no, yeah, I hear them back again.
Yeah, them say June bug.
June bug. Guys, so you know, that is the mission. So we got the bed solved its own problem. You know, so we thank each and everyone for their opinion. We thank you so much for everyone that considered that put the input out. You know, or we could rearrange or arrange the bed so it worked out the best way, which is we know that the Almighty and our give thanks to Winstone, you know, because we come to the decision so we're going to buy another bunk bed, and which is it makes sense. You know, so even the parent was planning and say for future to come, they can also pull on the bed and everyone have a single bed same way. You know, so it never makes sense to have a single bed for only Cranberry and the next 3 kids them share the 2 single. Eh?
I'm never gonna give up, though. It's taking too far. It's taking so far. Even if it takes for a long time, Lord, I'm going to wait for this time. I'm sitting. I say I receive it. Only you know tears from my heart cries. Only you know tears can't fill these mosquitoes. Tears can't fill these walls that's been filled.
Oh, so we give thanks, so we big up Kenisha, big up the parents. So guys, let me say, this is the journey, you know, and it's been a wonderful journey as well too. You know, it's been ups and it's been down, it's been negative, it's been positive, you know, but at the end of the day, we all have to cross that line, the finishing line, you know, and then we still continue. So nothing never ends, but we continue same way, you know, and we appreciate our excellent family and so much that we do, making this possible, you know, from where they're coming from and to where they are now. We could have done it without you guys, and we thank the Almighty because the Almighty reach out, touch you guys' heart, you know, and make you reach out to help this family. You know, despite, you know, what we've been through with the negative and this and that, we still overcome everything, and we still we are where we're supposed to be. You know, the family is happy and everything, and that's the main thing, to make sure that the family is happy. You know, and we appreciate each and everyone that donated, and everyone that put the prayers out, everyone that put the thumbs up, everyone with the thoughts, you know, the positive and even also the negative, because positive and negative go together, so it still works, you know. But we know we rather we dwell into the positive, but yin and yang, you know, it's all together, it's the same. So nothing ends, everything continues. You know, Dream Team journey continues, you know, it never stops. So we give thanks to our members, them, see them we will put out the effort to reaching out, you know, to show the blessings, see them here, you know, each and every one of them. Pinedo, I'm sure them say it's not dropping today. See you, bro.
With a good formation.
Yeah.
I'm a animal roll, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Sandbag this time, not take
Yeah, because you have a shoe.
Yeah.
Can't
Why bus
walk
today?
in the water, I take the sandbag.
Yeah.
You come outside and pants feeling.
Yeah. He never drop, I put them pants that drop off.
How much?
The sandbag come over, make it come over more easy.
Yeah.
Sandbag will come over easy for you, man.
Yeah,
man,
that's
man.
why I was saying, guys,
Guys,
this way.
the job done.
Mhm.
Not done yet, you know, but more job to be done, you know.
Wait now, man.
For today, the job done for today.
Remember, I said we still have the fridge for come,
But we still across the river yet, you know.
the stove to come.
Yeah.
Yes, and the fridge and the stove is going to be the big deal.
Yeah, man.
You
So
know,
must say it a
and the
good
microwave to come. So we have those things to get in this week.
Yeah.
You know, so guys, prepare yourself again to come across the river street.
One dream team.
Yeah, come through down the mine. The sandbag safe for this time.
Yeah, man, one time the sandbag there was good, man. It was good like gold.
Although we know the fridge is not everything still.
Yeah, it's not. Whew. Get my face washed with the river water, so you're heading out, guys. Pantara.
So she pala and then she dip on back.
Well, we're glad we crossed that part there. It's sorting out the bed. Trust me. We're glad we come to the right, decision. And the way that we was saying we're going to put the bed like one on one side and one on the other side, that one still wouldn't work same way because the space would have still be limited, so we keep trying and we try again and we work out to the best. So what we're going to do is get the hurricane strap. So the hurricane strap, once it hold that, they cannot rock that out. A hurricane strap is when hurricane come to them wind. So when you strap that down in that bed, no matter how much them rock, them cannot rock that out. So
yeah, we have to cross back. Yes,
you have to screw them, but no worry. To put up on the for the bed, for the ladder, you have them. So we can't come do it. So tell Charles, no trouble that. Alright guys, so the thing was the night came down. So the journey to cross the river, we completed that. So we completed. So we give thanks. So we're moving on to the next, and the next, and the next, and the next. We keep moving. So we did it. While Pinedo, we never know so boom could have abandoned you. But now I feel that one day.
God has sent go left him on a short.
Yeah, him no want to get no more baptized, man. So him run.
But God could have wall still, so that's how I go. Him could have wall.
Come and show him about me by doing them. Tell him something devil.
Oh, God, boy, I could have wall. Well, boom said, nah man, yo, Gia, come for this.
Gia go talk, Gia.
Yeah, Cheta.
Man, don't
know. Make up your mind already.
Yes, I'm not carrying it.
Brother Joe with the mattress.
Yeah.
I take it off. I saw me see the rock with me.
Yeah.
Nah, man, man.
Even if you not carry that alone,
the rock with one. I said I want another rock.
Oh, so I rock the boom feel boom say, yo, Gia, take this.
I said rock them feel.
Rock already, and the man said, no, what I mean?
I know we're going. I know say balance, not in a balance up good. And your pants are drop off.
Yeah. So this trip, him come with the good grip shoes, but him wear a pants, wear a drop off. So that pants that wasn't a Pineda pants. So that more like the 30 grand pants. Because I know whole field pants are drop off. So I know it, boy. I tell
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.